Let me show you a few tips what can speed up your workflow in Blueprints. So if you drag and drop the variable up here, you can get or set it, and there is a shortcut for it. If you hold Ctrl and drop, you will get the variable. If you hold Alt and drop, you will set the variable. Cool. There is also shortcuts for alignment, and it's Shift WASD. So if I select these three and hold Shift W, I get this horizontal alignment. If I set these two, Shift A, I'm aligning this on the left side, Shift D on the right side, and here Shift S on the bottom side. You can also hold Control and you can rewire your blueprints, or you can Alt and left click to disconnect the wires. There is shortcut R and left click for creating reroute, which can be the connecting point, or you can easily create it by just double click anywhere on the wire.